Welcome to the Public Schools First NC Week in Review, a brief look at what happened in the General Assembly last week. The North Carolina General Assembly adjourned late last week, sort of. Rather than ending the short session, leadership announced they will be back 6 more times this year, with those dates listed here. Because the General Assembly didn't officially end the short session, any pending bills, including those sent to committee, can be taken up during any of these upcoming sessions. The state budget that was passed last week has not been vetoed or signed by the governor at the time of this recording. If the governor chooses not to veto the budget, it can still go into effect without his signature. With regard to the Leandro Court case, the state budget once again falls short and the litigation continues. In April, Judge Michael Robinson found the state underfunded the Leandro plan by $785 million. Attorneys for the plaintiffs are asking the state Supreme Court to order the state to make those funds available. Attorneys for the defendants are asking the state Supreme Court to throw out Judge Robinson's ruling. The case will go before the state Supreme Court sometime during the last week of August. You can learn much more about the Leandro lawsuit on our website. What can you do? Be an education voter. Public school advocates must make their voices heard at the ballot box. As the November 2022 elections approach, take time to learn where candidates stand on these issues. You can find our 2022 candidate questionnaire on our website at publicschoolsfirstnc.org/engage/education position questionnaire. Speak out. Let friends and family know about these important issues and encourage them to vote. You can learn how to do this with our advocacy toolkit at publicschoolsfirstnc.org/resources/advocacy toolkit. You can receive the latest news and alerts about public education issues in North Carolina by following us on social media, sharing our content, and visiting our website. We offer a wide variety of resources, including research, fact sheets, and more. There, you can also sign up to receive our weekly email newsletter with all the highlights from the General Assembly and other timely news related to public education. Thank you, and please share this video.